Welcome to my third video that shows how to do simulations in Excel. This video will be a quick one because there's only one example. But it does illustrate a feature of the random number generator that we didn't use in the previous two videos. So suppose Bert takes a bus every day to work and his wait times at the bus stop are uniformly distributed between 0 and 15 minutes. 0 because it may work out that he gets to the bus stop as soon as the bus arrives. So if Bert works from Monday through Friday, what's the chance that his total wait time will exceed 45 minutes? Well, let's start out first just considering this. He works Monday through Friday, so let's create 5 columns for Monday through Friday. And of course, then we want to generate random numbers to illustrate his wait times. We're going to do 1,000 rows like we have in our previous examples, which is sort of a compromise. It'll get you a reasonably accurate answer without having a ridiculously long computational time. Now, notice that Monday through Friday, they all use the same distribution, uniform between 0 and 15. Well, I'll show you how to handle that very quickly in Excel. So we'll go to Data Analysis, Random Number Generation. Now, as I said, the number of random numbers will be 1,000. That'll be 1,000 rows of data. Number of random variables in my previous examples was always 1. But this time, since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday all use the same distribution, we can put 5 here and essentially fill out all 5 columns at once. So let's pick the distribution. Okay, it's on uniform. Uniform between 0 and 15. And what about output range? Well, we'll just you put it in the upper left-hand cell there, and it'll fill out. It'll go 5 across, and it will go 1,000 down. And as always in my examples, leave random seed bin blank. And there we go. Kind of interesting. Your numbers, of course, will differ some from mine. Notice for my first Thursday here, I have the 14.5. That would suggest that he just missed the bus, so he had to wait the whole 15 minutes. Here he only had about a minute wait before the bus came. All right. So of course, I'm not going to scroll all the way down, but 1,000 rows of data. Now let's just see what we need to do to find the given probability. What's the chance the total wait time will exceed 45 minutes? Well, total wait time, for that week would just be done by adding these up. So do a sum here, and we could use our sum command. So for this first week, we would just add up the times from Monday through Friday. So for this first week, Bert had to wait about 31 minutes with my data. That would not exceed 45. Now, take your data that you generated, click the little dot here, and it'll fill it down, and you with your data will undoubtedly see that occasionally your sum exceeds 45 minutes. Here I had 49, exceeded 45 by a little bit. So all we have to do to find this probability, let me type it out before I do my formula. It would be the probability that sum, now exceeds technically would just mean greater than. So the sum is greater than 45. So let's work that out. You would want to do a count if In our range, we'd want to be looking at the sum column. And we put our condition in quotation marks. So we would want to count when that was greater than 45. That should do it. Quotation greater than 45. Now we'll get a number there. Of course, to change it into a probability, or as I put it, a chance, we would want to divide by the total number of rows. Now all these have 1,000 rows of data. You can click on any one of them. You know, I could click on the column for Wednesday. It wouldn't really matter. And let's see what I got. I have 0.242. I'm guessing that your answer doesn't vary from that a great deal. Now recall that if we wanted to get a better approximation, then we could take the time and do more than 1,000 rows of data. We might do 10,000 or 50,000. Or if I had you all in one classroom, I could take each of your approximations and I could average them. Okay, so just as again, just reinforcing simulation estimates an answer. Okay, I'm going to sign out from this video.